Hello, good morning and welcome. Today I'm going to show you something interesting, something useful for your scheduling stuff. This is called activity splitting in Primavera P6. This function is really necessary if you are in a situation where that you need to split your activity, you suspend some works and resume it again, or you need to show some part of the activity in different color, um, like activity risk contingency assessments. So you have the original duration in place. For example, could be 10 days, and you need to show as an activity risk contingency allowance as like 5 days. So you just need to show that 5 days in a different color within the same activity. So here we go. I'll show you quickly how it is being done. All right, let's open the Primavera. Right, projects. I've opened this sample project. So I'll choose this activity, business case development and approval. So original duration, the initial duration is 30 days. I need to show some duration or some risk allowances for this activity. For example, so if you just do this exercise for this activity, it is the RAM that you can, it is the same, and you can repeat the same for all the other activities that you need. So the first thing that you need to do, if you open the project, go to Enterprise and go to User Defined Fields. So under User Defined Fields, so there are different categories. You need to choose the activity, and under activity, uh, I want you to add these user-defined fields called uh, user finish date and user start date. So user start date, the data type will be a start date, and the user finish date, the data type will be finish date. So once you added these two user-defined fields, then you're good to go. So it's simple as that. And when you want to add, just click on the add button and rename your title and choose the right data type from the options. All right, once you add it, just close this off. And all right, so then the other one, the second step that you need to do is just you click on your gang chart and right click on that, go to bars. So in the bar options here, right, you need to add another bar type called user bar. So here also it's simply you can just click on this add button and you can rename this bar like user bar. I need to tick this off, tick this on to show it up in the gang chart. And so the time scale is you have to select user dates, and from the options you have here for the start date and finish date, user start date will be the one we define in the user defined fields as. So the start date will be the user start date and the finish date will be the user finish date. So you need to find this user finish date, and you can choose whatever color you want from these options here. So I simply just select uh, to have a better contrast between the activities. I just use any other color which doesn't appear in the Gantt chart, right? For critical activities, for current bar, for the baseline bar, just choose this color for this, and you can also choose the shape and the bar height from this. You can choose whatever size you want and click apply. Now, so what is your the aim? So there is an activity called business case and development and approval. So initial duration is just 30 days, but we have done a kind of a risk assessment at the beginning of the project, and we found out that there is a risk of getting this activity delayed. Let's say, for example, another 15 days. All right. So what you need to do, and simply click on the columns. So I'll just remove for a while, apply. So just go to columns, and after the finished it, just add these user defined fields, the one we created before. user start date and user finish date, and click apply and OK. So here, so okay, for this activity, your original initial start date is 29th August 2022 and the finish date is 10th of August 2022. So now what we are going to do, and we are going to show in a different color, a 15 days duration as a contingency risk allowance after 10th of October 2022. All right. So what you need to do, just click on this activity and go to user start date, double click on that, you get the calendar and click on the same day, right? The Monday, the 10th, or you can choose the 11th because it's starting the day after, and you go for 15 days, so it will be October the 16th, October the 26th. I choose this one. All right, you can see here, so it shows in a different color from starting from 11th of October 2022 up until 26th October 2022, and here we are. So this is the contingency activity risk allowance shown in a different color. So if you really think this these two color in not in good contrast, and you can simply right click on that, go to bars and click on the user bar and choose any other color you want from this menu. You can choose custom colors if you want, uh, any other, so you can choose this one. So you can see that 15 days duration as a contingency risk allowance, right? So this is the same, you can repeat for the rest of all the activities if you want to do that. If you have a big project like more than 500,000 activities, it will be really difficult for you to do for all of the activities, but it's important to do your initial risk assessments before doing this and get a feel about and what are those risk allowances for each and every activity, what are the risks involved for those activities, and then you can do the steps as shown in this video. It's very simple, and just to show you a risk allowance in different color for each and every activity. All right, so that's it from me today. I hope this is useful and you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.